Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's to MOSHEH TV here again. Today we are back with another update concerning the Ekwulobia Flyover. So the last time we visited this location, all the adjoining roads were not asphalted by then. But today, the adjoining roads has been asphalted, though the flyover has been asphalted. Even the time we visited, the last time we visited this location. So today we want to give you another latest update from this flyover. Currently it's as if everything just pause. Nothing is going on there massively. But I can say maybe the delays is of because of the construction of the tower or something. But on Friday, the 27th of December, when we visited, I think they are now starting to touch all those areas that have not been touched for long. So they are trying to touch all those areas and fix the remaining thing that the flyover needed, like all those places that iron rod is showing out. They have already started casting something there. So in no due time, I think they will be completing the whole work. Then at this ground floor, what you are watching right now, that ground floor, there's a little space there which was kind of demarcated with road gaps. So something will also be done there. So the next place that has not been touched is this under the flyover. Nothing has been done under the flyover. But the way we are seeing things, very soon the whole places will be touched and the flyover will be opened. So this is the latest update from the ongoing construction of the flyover, and we'll also be taking you to the tower, the construction of the tower around the other side of the route by that Olga side. So we'll be taking you there to go and see everything for yourself. So the tower is rising already. The tower is rising. They are a kind of speeding the work up. So in no due time, the tower will also be completed, and the next thing we follow. So all the adjoining roads both under the flyover has been asphalted. This is the road that is leading to Oko side. I will also show you the view from the up, which the last time I visited I did that. Then I will also show you the view from the up very soon. So the one that is leading to Oko, then this side is the one that is leading to Oga side, which we are currently heading to, and from there we're gonna also climb up the flyover to show you the views and the new thing they have put in place over there. But one thing we find out here also is that I don't know what sometimes our people, they used to be funny sometimes. Um, the flyover that is yet to be opened or completed, but motorists have started parking, on top of the flyover. I don't know why. Like, I don't know if they did not see any other place to park the vehicles, other than that flyover side. So all these places you are seeing iron are going to be casted, and then the remaining things will follow. Then the place that need on top of the flyover, where you see demarcations, I think they have already installed the iron that they are needed to be there. So the iron has already been put in place on all the demarcations on top of the flyover. So the remaining thing there is just to cast that iron, um, you know, do under the flyover, then do other minor things within around the flyover, and definitely it will be open for motorists. So currently we are climbing the flyover right now. From there, I'll also be showing you the view of the modern bus terminal being constructed in the same Ekwulobia, close to the flyover also. So and from there, I will also be showing you the view of the all the adjoining route from the up, so you see what they are looking like. And that is it. So this is the view from the up. This particular one is heading to Oko, and this is what it looks like from the up. The road has been asphalted down to where the construction currently ends. So it has been asphalted, the demarcation has been put in place. So from here I'll also go to the other side of it to show you the upper view of the one leading you to Ibuku and other axis. And after the upper view, I will also be showing you the grand view when I get down. But before that, I will also show you the level of work that's going on in that tower axis. So this is the view from the up. This particular one is heading to Ibuku and the other side. So this is what it looks like from the up. You can check it out how beautiful it is. So all the roundabout has not been touched. The roundabout, something will be done inside to make it also look clean with others. So like you can see in the video, you can see that the iron used to that is used to hold the demarcation has been put in place. You can see that it has been completed. I showed you the first one. This is the second one, and that is how it takes till the last one of it. So down the other side, the one that is heading to Nanka is where they are currently now casting the remaining part of the flyover for the flyover to be completed. You can still see this is the view from the up, so you can see how it's looking like. So none of the roundabout currently have been touched, so but they are coming closer to that. So from here I'm gonna be heading down now to go and show you the view of the tower, the view of the tower and level of work that is currently going on in that axis. Also, the covering of the drainage system is yet to start, because according to the governor, he says that the drainage system will be covered to pave way for the walkways, that when the drainage system is covered, it will be used for walkways. So currently this is the tower, the Light of the Nation tower, being constructed close to the flyover. So you can see that the tower is has started rising up, so it's moving currently with speed, and very soon, the way I'm seeing it, it will rise up and be completed. So this is the current update from the tower. You can see everything for yourself. So very soon the whole thing will rise up and work will be done. And the way I'm seeing it, let's just give it from now to February next year, or maybe ending of January. There will be a bigger changes from there. So from this angle, we'll be heading down to the Nanka axis, because currently we are the Oga side, heading back again to Nanka side and to the road that leads to Ibuku and the rest of them. To show you the grand view, I already show you the upper view of that angle. So now we are going to show you the grand view of it, so you see everything for yourself. So as you can see, all this side has been asphalted, but nothing has already been done about the under the flyover, which very soon they will start it. So you can see the gutters, the covering has not started, the walkways has not been done, but there's one thing I noticed and I saw, which I would like to contribute on. Maybe some people who are inspecting this work are not aware of it. So please and please, before the covering of the drainage system will start, because I saw some sections where I think it was covered because maybe they have some parks or whatever around that place, so they have started covering that area, a kind of a covert or something. But one funny thing is that all the whole sand and all the whole things that we are inside that drainage system are being left that way. They did not remove any of them, and they are covering the drainage already. And if that thing is left like that and that drainage system is covered, definitely it will be another problem when raining season starts. So those that's in charge of inspecting that work should look into that. Honestly, they need to look into that. So this is all the updates we have for you guys concerning the ongoing construction of the Ekwulobia Flyover. So you have watched the video, you have seen everything for yourself. You can see the level where they act now. So in no due time the flyover will be completed and the tower will also be completed. We are looking at it maybe from February, March next year. A very bigger changes will be made, and if possible everything will be completed, and also the street lights also will be put in place. And we gave you guys updates concerning the ongoing realization from Ekwulobia to Amobia. If you have not watched the video, kindly do so. The video is up already. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to sub to the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share. And please desist from insultive comments. Let's learn from each other. It will be a better thing. So do have a wonderful day. To meet again in our another update.